everyone, my name's Carissa and today I'm doing a product review for Ethique, which makes like soaps and shampoo bars and things for your showers, completely plastic free. So I got a body wash bar that was lemon and ginger, which looks like this. And then I also got a facial cleansing bar and a shampoo bar that can also be used as a shave bar. After trying these, I really like the shave bar the best, which when it came shaped as a heart, but also it just like moisturized my face while also like being able to be used as lathering cream for my legs when I shave my legs. One of the things that I like about Ethique is that even though they're plastic free, because sometimes you can find other soap companies that are plastic free, but they're palm oil free, which is really hard to find, and completely fragrance free and vegan. So before this I was using a different brand that was cruelty free but not vegan, and plastic free but not palm oil free. So I think that after trying these I want to switch to Ethique. The body wash bar was just, I like that it was lime and ginger. I like the citrus smell of body washes, and it stays for like definitely at least a few hours after you get out of the shower. And then for the facial cleansing bar, I like that it was such a good size. Like something like this would last me, I don't know, 4 or 5 months because it's so thick. This flavor for this one was but actually didn't have a scent, but I still thought it smelled good. When you're looking for soaps, it's important to find things that are plastic free and don't use like disposable packaging, but it's also important to see where your ingredients come from because that can be linked to your values as an environmentalist too. Not only is Ethique like vegan, cruelty free, plastic free, and palm oil free, they're also fragrance free, sulfate free, and last a really long time. Yeah, I really recommend them to anyone who wants to try out zero waste, minimal impact, or zero impact soap products.